round for feminine K1 200 meters.
Race 91. K1 woman.
From Germany in lane 9. 5 heats, first 5 and the 2 next best by time. They go to the semi-finals, the rest is out.
Book number 1, book number 6.
Igen, ezek a flikkek nem a legjobbak, de úgy így jöttek.